Welcome to Golden Harmony, your trusted space for living well, joyfully, and with confidence after 60. Let's dive into today's topic.
Joining a local club can be a wonderful way to enhance your social connections and make new friends. It allows you to discover new interests and hobbies that you might not have explored before. Staying active, both mentally and physically, is essential as we age, and being part of a club can help in that. Plus, it can significantly improve your overall life satisfaction. Start by identifying your interests. Consider the hobbies you currently enjoy or activities you used to partake in. It might also be exciting to explore new areas of interest that you've been curious about. Make a list of potential club types that align with these interests, such as gardening, book clubs, or walking groups. Once you have a clear idea of your interests, start researching local clubs. You can do this by searching online for clubs in your area or checking community bulletin boards. Local community centers often have information on clubs and activities. Additionally, asking friends or family for recommendations can lead to some great suggestions. There are senior-friendly platforms that can help you find local clubs. Websites and newsletters specifically designed for seniors often list clubs and activities. Online forums focused on seniors can also provide insights and recommendations. Don't forget to utilize resources available at community centers too. It's important to consider the costs associated with joining a club. Evaluate the membership fees and any additional costs that might arise, such as materials or event fees. Some clubs offer senior discounts, so be sure to inquire about those. Budgeting for these expenses can help you make a financially sound decision. Before joining, understand the level of commitment the club requires. Review how often the club meets and assess the time commitment involved. Consider how this fits into your personal schedule and ensure you can balance club activities with other commitments you may have. It's important to ensure the club enhances your life without adding stress. Volunteering in club activities is a great way to engage more deeply with the club and its members. Participating in club projects allows you to contribute your skills and knowledge, fostering a sense of belonging. It's also an excellent way to build deeper connections and friendships within the club. When joining a club, be open to new experiences. Embrace the chance to try new activities and meet new people. Stepping out of your comfort zone can be rewarding and offers valuable learning opportunities. Remember, it's never too late to learn something new and have fun in the process. Effective communication is key to a fulfilling club experience. Share your interests with other members and communicate any accessibility needs you might have. Express your preferences and goals to ensure that the club meets your expectations. Don't hesitate to seek support from club leadership if needed. To make the most of your club membership, stay engaged and active. Regularly attending meetings and participating in events keeps you informed and connected. Maintaining active involvement ensures that you can enjoy all the benefits the club has to offer, enriching your experience and relationships. Consider encouraging a friend to join the club with you. Inviting friends to club events and sharing your positive experiences can motivate them to become members. Discuss the benefits of joining a club and enjoy participating in activities together, which can be even more fun and rewarding. If attending in-person meetings is challenging, consider exploring virtual club options. Many clubs offer online alternatives where you can participate in virtual meetings and engage in activities from home. This option allows you to connect with a wider community while enjoying the club's offerings. Take time to evaluate your club experience regularly. Reflect on your involvement and assess your level of satisfaction and enjoyment. Consider whether you are achieving your personal goals and if the club is meeting your expectations. If necessary, think about what adjustments might enhance your experience further. Joining a club is a journey, and it's important to stay positive and patient. Keep a positive mindset especially in new settings, and allow time to build relationships. Progress might be gradual, but focusing on small steps can lead to meaningful and rewarding experiences. As we grow, our interests can change, and that's perfectly okay. Acknowledge these evolving interests and explore new club opportunities if needed. Remaining flexible and adaptable can open doors to new experiences. Embracing change as a chance for growth can lead to fulfilling new adventures. Connecting with members from diverse backgrounds can enrich your club experience. Engaging with different perspectives offers valuable learning opportunities and enhances cultural understanding. This diversity can lead to a more fulfilling and richer experience within the club, benefiting everyone involved. Sharing your stories and life experiences with fellow club members can build strong connections. Exchanging narratives creates a sense of camaraderie and understanding. These shared experiences enrich the club community, making it a more welcoming and supportive environment for everyone. Being an advocate for inclusivity is crucial in fostering a welcoming club environment. Promote diversity within the club and encourage membership from all walks of life. Supporting inclusive policies ensures that everyone feels valued and accepted, building a community where all members can thrive. Take time to reflect on your personal growth as a result of joining the club. Consider the new skills and knowledge you've acquired and how they have increased your confidence. Acknowledging these personal achievements is important and should be celebrated as part of your journey. Finally, remember to enjoy the journey of being part of a club. Embrace the experience fully and cherish the new friendships you've made. Enjoy the newfound interests and hobbies, and look forward to the continued adventures that lie ahead. Being part of a club can be a delightful and enriching part of life.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.